This song was written by Eric Bogle and made famous by the Furies and Davy Arthur. Now I'm playing it in the key of G, and it's in 3/4 time. There are 5 chords to the song: G major, E minor, C major, A minor, and D major. And like I said, it's in 3/4 time, so it's in slow 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm using a simple finger picking pattern, where I'm picking 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So in the case of G major, for example, I'm playing the 1 beat is always going to be on the root note. So in this case, that's the 6th string. Then I'm picking the 3rd string, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And that's pattern I'm playing right throughout the song. If I'm playing E minor, the root note is also the note E here on the 6th string. So I pick the 6th again, 6th. The pattern on the 1st, 2nd and 3rd strings, the treble strings, remains constant right throughout the song. 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. The only thing that will change is the root note. That will change, for example, when I'm playing the chord of C. C, the note C is on the 5th string, 3rd fret. So I pick that as my 1 beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and A minor similarly, 5th string, open, is the root note. 1 and 2 and 3 and D major, the root note is the 4th. That note is D. 1 and 2 and 3 and